Hello people! Good morning guys! Is it still morning? Yep. 18 past 11. We will be out and about today. Shopping day, babe. He broke the lamp. Tsaka kasi ng lamp namin sa gilid ng sa bedside table namin. Ay, namatay yung camera natin mga kaibigan. It's hot now. Sobrang lamig sa labas. Kaya kami nakaganito. Tapos, naka-off yung AC dito. So, mainit na siya. Anyway, nasira niya yung lamp. Nasira niya yung lamp, guys. Kasi, maaga siya nagising kaninang umaga. Siguro pagkuha niya nung phone niya, parang nasagi. Tama ba yun? Nasagi niya yung ng lamp, yung wire. Nahulog yung lamp. Sabi ko, tagal ko na kasi sinabi sa'yo, napapalitan natin tong lamp na to. My lamp is not working anyway. So, kailangan talaga siya palitan. And because, like, matchy-matchy silang dalawa, parang siguro hinintay niya na masira din yung sa kanya. But I don't use mine. Di naman kasi kapag bed, bilis ko matulog eh. Siya yung, matagal natutulog. So, naka-on yung lamp niya. Ganun. Anyway, so we will buy that today. We will go to IKEA. Yeah, you're wearing your jumper. Nice jumper, babe.
I really like the jumper.
You do? That's good. That's good. I know you will love it. But some Port Power jumper kasi guys, a lot of people have been asking, what the heck is Port Power? What's sport? Ano siya? Team ni Dad sa football? Nakakaloka. Anyway, what was I saying about the jumper? Oh, some jumpers kasi, like, I got him a jumper last year for your birthday and that didn't fit you well. The blue with the green one. No, not the blue with the gray. I got you a jumper and we returned it to Rebel. Yeah. Merong iba na tsaka yung fit, but this one is nice. And it's not like in your face Port Power kasi siya. PA, Port Adelaide. Punta muna kami sa city. Punta kami David Jones kasi he will get his watch resized. So, Papa, you like your watch?
Love the watch.
Yes.
Fancy.
It's not really too fancy.
Fancy pants. Very fancy.
It's good. It's nice.
It is nice.
Yeah.
No, they can't see.
Oh, watch where you're going, please.
It's okay. Have a good drive.
Dito na kami sa city, guys. Punta kami dyan. Antique market. It's closing down. Ganyan yung mga gusto ni Dan ng mga shop. Closing down sale. So, 15 to 50% off. So, punta kami dyan. Nagpunta na actually si Dan dyan noon. Pero gusto niya bumalik kasi wala daw siya enough time. And we parked right in front. So, perfect. Let's go! This reminds me of my lola. Yung mga lalagyan ng mga sewing stuff. Guys, nandito kami sa David Jones pala. Ay, nakabili kami ng galing sa meme ko, nakakaloka. Hindi naman namin kailangan, nakakaloka to sila. Siya guys, pang changing mat para sa bata. Changing mat para sa bata. Sabi ni Dan, bilhin mo na lang. Kailanganin natin yan. Wow. Nakasale din kasi siya. Oh, he got a new haircut pala guys. Nice. Kahapon nagpa-haircut siya. Anyway, punta kami sa Target. Pusbuang.
You are.
Guys, nagpunta kami sa meme ko. David Jones. Oh, by the way, the watch place, the watch repair shop is closed. Open sana sila every Saturday. Kaya lang ngayong Saturday hindi sila open. Sabi nila, sorry for the inconvenience. Anyway, ito yung nabili namin sa meme ko. This. It's a, what do you call that? Baby mat. We got a baby mat. Para sa akin talaga to guys. Sabi na Dan, might as well get it now because it was on sale. So it's this. Look. It's a baby mat.
It's a mat.
For babies. You can change the baby here.
Baby mat.
Yep, that's exactly right. It was originally $149 originally, but then we got it for, guess how much? You guess, people.
How much was it?
$39.
There you go.
We got it for $39 na lang, guys. So sabi ni Dan, just get it now. Like if you don't use it, then you know that's fine.
It
But
might be a present for someone.
maybe, we'll see.
But we'll keep it, probably for us.
I'll keep it. Punta kami IKEA, guys. Bibili namin yung lamp na sinira niya. We will buy the lamp that you broke. And do you know that you broke mine as well? You broke mine.
I didn't
Keep
break
breaking
yours.
it. Yes, you did.
You broke it.
No,
You broke it.
I didn't break anything. Your lamp is just chaka.
Oh, shit, that was good lamps. Those were expensive ones.
Oh, shut it.
They were,
It was
they
like
were good.
$20.
They
those
were.
lamps. How much was it?
They're originally $240 each. I got it a lot cheaper. I got it on sale.
Yeah, of course it was. But it's a chaka lamp. It's too big for your
Yeah,
table.
it's a good lamp.
For our table.
It's a good lamp. Guapo. Everyone's beautiful in life, babe. Everyone has their own qualities.
You can get that lamp behind you. That lamp behind you. Oh, whatever. Who's buang? Lakad-lakad lang kami, guys. Chill-chill. Dito na kami sa IKEA. Maganda yung bedroom, wala. Maganda yung sheets. Oh, wait. Yun, oh, maganda yung sheets. Dito kami sa mga rugs, guys. Meron kaming ganito. Ganyan. And gusto ko bumili ng isa pa, pero gray pa din. Or, pang bathroom, but yeah, okay lang naman kahit saan. This one's not bad. Or, ito. Or gray. Pero maliit to eh. Maliit. Or here, lamps. That way. Meron na kaming mga bibilhin, guys, pang bathroom. Ito. And then lamp na lang yung kulang. We found it? Not yet. Sige, turn it on. Nice. It's on sale, guys. $29 na lang from $49. Kaya lang, white yung cord niya. Yung table namin dark brown pa black na. Pero that's one. We'll keep looking, babe. But I like that. Kasi hindi din siya ganun kalaki.
Won't take up much room.
Yeah. Let's look around this more there.
You can do mix and match. You can just buy this and just buy the shade.
Oh yeah, we can do that as well. We'll see. Mga cactus ni Dan, guys. Hello, ang laki. That one looks good, babe. Nakahanap kami ng cart, guys, kanina. Uy, oh, don't touch it. There's big ones, oh. How much? 45? Dito kami pepper lunch, guys. Did you get the classic beef as well?
No, it's not seafood.
What?
Seafood.
Oh, seafood. No, I didn't look. I didn't even look. Mine is classic beef. Kain. Girl. Guys, girl. Ito yung mga pinamili namin, guys. Sa IKEA. Let's assemble it, babe.
Okay.
It's easy. Sige, let's do it here. So, bumili kami ng 2 lamps. Ito talaga yung pinunta namin dun eh. And timing kasi naka-sale siya. So, $29 only from $40. Let's assemble it now. And then we went for, oh no, it matches the rug. I didn't even, hindi ko, sorry. Hindi ko to sinadya. Pero ang ganda ng rug, oh. Ganito siya. Yung kulay ng lamp, parang ganito din. Tapos gray, para mag-match sa bahay. So, ito yung sa banyo. Kasi yung rug namin, isa lang yung sa banyo. So, I got this, we got this. And ano lang siya? $19.99? So, $20 for that. Maganda siya. Non-slip din siya sa ano. So, it's good. And then, ito yung lamp. You remove yours already?
Yeah.
And then, yung bulb ng lamp, separate siya guys. So, itong lamp lang is $29. Tapos yung bulb, mura lang naman, so okay lang. Wait, pakita ko sa inyo yung bulb. Ito oh. Ito guys. Yan. So, LED or, I don't know, LED. So, ganyan. And then, we got these as well. Para sa banyo. So, ano siya, dalawang klase siya, guys. Yung isa, kasi ngayon, kasi bumili kami ng isa sa Kmart dati. Tapos, nasira. So, ito, bumili kami sa IKEA. And meron silang parang tester doon na ginaganon-ganidan. Sabi niya, strong naman. Anyway, dalawang klase yung binili namin. Yung ganito na may lalagyan ng sabon dyan. At saka yung isa, ito regular lang na walang lalagyan ng sabon. Kasi right now, yung mga toiletries namin nasa baba. Meron kaming lagayan na parang built-in na dun sa banyo. Kaya lang puno na. And then we got this as well. Para lalagyan ng mga toothbrush namin at saka toothpaste. Kasi ngayon yung gamit namin yung plastic eh. So sabi na let's use wood this time. So yan lang. Mura lang to. Ito hindi ko na maalala. I think this one was... Hindi ko na maalala guys. Bumili din kami nito. Just serviettes. Anong tawag doon? Napkins. So asan yung serviette? Uy, did you use this one? Thank you. Akala namin ubos na. Kasi wala na dun sa una nakita namin. Dun, yung nasa baba nun, nandun yung mga karton. Mga puti lang yung nandun. Tapos itong color na pato pala, naka-display sa kabilang gilid na siya lang. Kasi siya lang yung nakasale eh. Yung ibang kulay hindi nakasale. Why?
I was going to see where you...
Babe. Oh.
I've seen you build stuff. Shopping. Shopping.
Shuru! Why? Stupid girl. I like it. Sabi niya kanina, nung nabili na namin, sabi niya, isn't it too small? Pero hindi naman siya maliit. Okay lang naman siya. Yung amin ngayon, sobrang laki. Yay! Alright, babe?
Yep, let's go.
Let's go to the room. So, yan yung old lamp namin, guys. Actually, okay lang yung kulay. Hindi sila ganun ka... Well, malayo kasi that one's darker. But, hindi siya like very layo ng color scheme. Char color scheme talaga. Ang laki niyan! Tignan nyo, ha? Laki niya. See, ano niya talaga, occupy niya talaga yung buong ng bedside table. So, okay na yung maliit. Uy, para sa akin, okay na yung maliit. Yan, naloglog ni Don kanina. Nung parang ni-remove niya ata yung charger niya. Or yung phone niya from the charger. I like it, babe. It's cute.
I'll do the job.
Yeah. See, now we have more space sa table. Tapos hindi na natin siya masasagi kasi ganyan lang yung pa-stand niya. Liit. I like it.
Yeah, it looks good.
Yeah. It looks really nice and dainty. Nood-nood sila ng footy, guys. Iligpit natin yung mga napamili natin kanina. Dami pala namin pinuntahan kanina. Hindi lang ako nag-vlog masyado kasi sobrang like, go lang ng go. Ito sana yung susutin ko kanina na jacket ko lang. Nag-leather jacket na lang ako. Anyway, tapos mamaya pa pupunta pa kami sa movies. Nagpunta na kami ng kanina, ng cinema para bumili ng ticket. Pa dire-diretso na lang kami mamaya. Hindi na kami kailangan pumunta ng maaga. So, yun. Binili na namin yung ticket. And then, bumili din kami ng mga dadalhin namin sa cinema. So, wala lang. Bumili na ako nito mga mix na mga lolly. And then, sila bumili ng cashews para snack niya mamaya. And then, I got Pringles. And then, yung drinks nilagay na niya sa fridge. And then, ito, bumili ako ng string beans, guys. Binili namin to sa Asian shop. Kasi, magluluto ako ng ginataang kalabasa. Nakita ko siya sa video ni Pretty Mary. Hello, Mary. And it looks easy. So, sabi ko, lulutuin ko yan. Gusto ko sana magluto ng bulalo. Parang ang dali niya gawin nung pinanood ko sa Panlasang Pinoy, pero natatakot ako sa mga may sabaw, guys. Kasi yung mga may sabaw ko, laging nag-fail. Hindi naman lagi, pero anyway, bumili ako nito kalabasa para sa aking ginataang kalabasa. I got this as well. Wipe. And then, bumili ako nito. Hindi ko alam kung tama to. I got coconut cream. Ito yung gata. Coconut cream ba dapat or coconut milk? Hindi ko alam eh. Pero I just got the cream. And then, okra. Yan. Sobrang mura lang ng okra. 91 cents itong 6. Pero ang liliit lang naman. And then, I got this. Ano guys? Green chili. Gagawa ako ng dynamite pack. Dynamite. Naalala ko kasi, nung Pasko, nagpunta kami sa bahay ng auntie ko, tapos nagluto siya nito. Pinakain niya kami, parang snack-snack. And sobrang nagustuhan ko siya. Sobrang sarap. Pork, minced pork, para ilagay ko sa aking ginataang kalabasa. Yung ginataang kalabasa na ni Pretty Mary, walang pork, pero lalagyan ko ng pork yung akin. Tapos ito, lalagyan ko din siya ng pork na konti. Hindi ko alam kung kailan ako magluluto nun kasi hindi ako makaluto tonight kasi nga manonood kami ng movie and we will be home late na for sure. And then, bukas, I'm not sure kung ano. Ay, may puti silang bukas. Check ko yung nails ko kung I need to get my nails done, pero na okay pa naman yung nails ko, hindi pa naman siya ganun ka tsaka. Anyway, siguro mag-film lang ako bukas while nanonood siya ng puti. Kasi puti will be mga, how many hours will be the puti bag?
4.
Yeah.
2.5.
2.5? Okay. That's enough time for me to film a Q&A. Ilagay natin to guys sa banyo. So, ganito siya. Ito yung may lalagyan ng sabon. Hindi naman kami laging gumagamit ng sabon, paminsan-minsan lang. Pero at least kapag gagamit kami ng sabon, at least may lalagyan ng sabon, diba? Yung ginagamit kasi namin body wash. Na hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko sa kanya. Siguro ihaharap ko na lang yung... Okay, sabi sa instruction, linisin muna daw yung surface na lalagyan mo. So, meron tayong panlinis, tapos mampunas, kasi dapat dry din siya, guys. Nalagyan na namin, guys. Yan. Sa mga nagtatanong pala, yes, I use this, guys. Oh, may tail. Pero hindi pa din naman kumakapal yung buhok ko. Naturally, pero nipis na buhok ko. But, yeah, ganyan yung itsura niya. Ay, hala yung ano namin. Si Dan, oy. Ito. And I have been using this as well. Sobrang bango niya talaga, guys. Passion fruit. Ito yung nabili namin sa Kangaroo Island. Ulo! Dito na naman kami ulit sa labas, guys. Nanonood kami ng movie. The title is A Quiet Place, is it?
I think so.
Or something. Basta may quiet. Nagpark lang kami doon. And then, maglalakad kami. Dito lang naman sa harap. May parking sila doon na free sana. Ipapa-validate lang namin yung ticket namin sa movie. Kaya lang, mahaba na yung linya ng pa-validate. So, lakad na lang kami dito. Konti lang naman. Pauwi na kami, guys. The movie pala, A Quiet Place yung title, guys. It's good. It's actually really good. Maganda yung movie, guys. Kakaiba siya, pero maganda. Intense na thriller, alien, mga ganon, pero
Thriller slash
maganda.
horror, I reckon.
No, it's not horror. No, it's not horror.
Thriller slash horror.
Is it?
It is.
Is it horror,
More
babe?
thriller than horror, but it has an element of horror to it.
Maganda siya, guys. Panoorin nyo kung gusto nyo. A Quiet Place. Nag-free trial kami ng Foxtail kanina. So, si Dan, sabi niya magbi-binge watch daw siya ng Foxtail. You look bald, babe. Hindi siya bald, parang ano lang, semi-kalbo. Anyway, magbi-binge watch siya ng Foxtail.
The Walking Dead.
The Walking Dead daw. Bahay na kami, guys. Natanggal ko na yung makeup ko. Tapos na ako sa aking skincare. Now, this. Ang dami nating labahin. After nito, mag-i-edit ako ng video. Siguro mga 2 video. Kung kaya, 2 video. Oh yeah, we'll see. Sobrang nagustuhan ni Dan yung gift natin sa kanya. Ito, oh. PA. Bibili ako ng akin actually. Bibili ako ng pang-kids kasi yung pang-kids yung mura. Yung lamp natin, guys. Oh, char-char yung lamp natin. Char! So, close ko na tong vlog na to, guys. Malapit na mag-12 ata. Tapos ko lang mag-edit ng video. Isang video lang yung na-edit ko. 2 pala, 2. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like this video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget, be goodbye. Good night, guys. Mwah.